We are learning more tonight about a federal lawsuit filed against multiple Arizona gun stores by the Mexican government, accusing them of assisting gun smugglers south of the border. Tonight, one of the store owners says they have faced devastating losses before ever having a day in court. News for Tucson's Chorus Nylander is live from the federal courthouse downtown with more. Chorus.
Yeah, well, Sean, this lawsuit and the fate of these gun shops will ultimately be decided here at the federal courthouse in Tucson. The lawsuit names 5 Arizona gun shops, 3 that are in Tucson, accusing them of taking part in illegal weapons trafficking related to violence down in Mexico. In the lawsuit, the stores named are The Hub, S&G Tactical and Diamondback Shooting in Tucson, Sprague's in Yuma, and MOAZ in Phoenix. We first told you about this lawsuit in October when it was filed. It's ongoing, and none of the gun shop owners have issued a formal response to the allegations still at this point. This month, a judge ordered an extension to that deadline, so they now have until January 13th to respond. Tonight, MOAZ's owner, Verishart Murphy, agreed to an interview, the first owner to speak with us on camera. He adamantly denies the claims made in this lawsuit. He calls Mexico's actions purely political and says his store has for years actively tried helping the ATF stop such straw purchases. He says the delay in his legal response is due to him trying to get his insurance company to cover the legal costs. If that fails, he will have to pay out of his own pocket, but he says already he's faced some major financial losses because of these allegations.
The bank that I was banking with saw me on the news. They shut down my banking relationship with them. And then I also was pre-approved for a $10 million loan to start a shooting range. They canceled my loan as well. So this has already had financial impact on me because the bank is claiming they no longer want a banking relationship with me for reputational risk. And I quote that.
And Murphy tells us he's already planning a counter lawsuit against Mexico for damages up to $100 million is what he's planning. He says he plans to file that as soon as his current lawsuit reaches its conclusion. We have more on his response to these allegations coming up tonight at 5 o'clock. Live from downtown Tucson, Chorus Nylander, News 4 Tucson.
Thank you, Chorus. We're following the latest on a crash that